All right. It's here once again. This is episode number 6 of MD Miller's 80s video party. Um, just heard some people from outside. Must be some of my fans. um, well, the last show we did was the Can special, and apparently it's become or I should say, it's become the show's most successful show. 90 views so far. Apparently, there was more Americans who watched this show than Canadians. So go figure. Yeah, we did get some viewers from Canada. They must have thought it was strange or something. But anyway, we also got a viewer from Brazil. We also had one from Indonesia and Italy that checked some of the clips out from that Canadian special too as well. But anyways, thank you guys for making the Canon special somewhat of a success. It's kind of a minor success, but anyway. In case you haven't seen the show before, basically what I do is I play music videos from the 80s. Good or bad, mostly all genres. Either from United States, Canada, whatever. If they were top hits on albums or single charts, I play them. If they're lost hits, I play them. If they're lost classics or cult classics now, I play them. So either way, and also do commercials, PSAs, news events, TV clips, movie trailers, and pro wrestling clips. And so we're gonna start off the first block with a song from Chile E. It was a top 40 hit in 1985 because our focus again is on 85 singles. From episode 4 started that. It'd be The Bell of St. Mark, only here on MD Miller's 80s video party, or maybe somewhere else.